Okay, hi everybody. We're working through the quadratic functions and equations review. This is question 21D. We're looking to solve these equations here. Now when I take a look at this, I see that I've only got two terms in this equation. Now ideally this would be a difference of squares, but it's a sum. So I can't do trinomial factoring because I don't have a trinomial. Okay, so I can't like multiply the 36 by some term, by the constant, because there is no constant. So what I do is I carry on the way I would normally here, because the first thing that I would do is take out the common factor. And in this case, the common factor is 36x, which will leave me with x plus 2 from the second factor there, or the second term, I should say. Now, these two terms multiplied together are giving me 0. Now, the only way that can happen is if one of these factors is equivalent to 0. It doesn't matter which one is equal to 0. As long as one of them is equal to 0, then the product here will be 0. So either 36x equals 0, in which case if I divide both sides by 36, I get that x is 0. Now, bear in mind, just watch this. If that's true, let's just say x is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. So what does that mean? Well, it doesn't really mean anything here, because if x is 0, 36 times 0 times 2 is still 0. It doesn't matter. Over here, if we look at what happens if the x plus 2 factor equals 0, well, that means that x is equal to negative 2. So now I know that makes this over here negative 2, but this factor becomes 0, and 0 times all of that is just 0. So in all of the infinite values that x could be, if x is equal to 0 or x is equal to negative 2, either one of these values would make this equation equal to 0 at the end.